Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Fidelity app running slow, taking a long time to open your accounts, or feeling delayed when you scroll through the positions? Here are the latest or fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings and then go to General. Then go to iPhone storage and check the storage bar at the top. Since Fidelity slows down noticeably when storage is nearly full and does not have room to cache account and market data smoothly. Offload a few unused apps to free room quickly. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since Fidelity competes with background apps for available memory while pulling live market data. Go to your settings again, go back, go to display and brightness and lower your screen's brightness and turn off low power mode if it's on, since it throttles performance and directly the sluggish scrolling and load times. Finally, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full restart clears a full temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent slowdown. So, all you've got to do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your iPhone. Fidelity runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.